Easy raspberry cream cheese coffee cake recipe for beginner bakers. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you. We're going to share the recipe for a mouthwatering raspberry cream cheese coffee cake. Trust me, this one is going to become your new favorite. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sour cream, 4 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup fresh raspberries. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch, 23 cm round cake pan or springform pan. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter-sugar mixture, alternating with sour cream. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. In another bowl, combine the softened cream cheese and powdered sugar. Beat until smooth and creamy. Spread half of the coffee cake batter evenly into the prepared pan. Spoon the cream cheese filling over the batter and spread it out evenly, leaving a small border around the edges. Scatter the fresh raspberries on top of the cream cheese filling. Take the remaining coffee cake batter and drop spoonfuls of it onto the raspberries, gently spreading it out to cover the berries. Bake in the preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, allow the coffee cake to cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve the raspberry cream cheese coffee cake as is or dust with powdered sugar before serving. We hope you enjoyed this recipe for raspberry cream cheese coffee cake. It's a delightful treat that will impress your family and friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.